What's up, guys? Welcome back. So pretty much today we're going to be heading to a Cars and Coffee in West Covina that a homie hosts from our lifestyles, and we're just gonna go hang out, have some fun, and just distress ourselves. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video and we see some dope cars. So let's just go ahead and head out. Meanwhile, let's let the right-hand drive go ahead and warm up real quick, and so we can have some fun.
Perfect.
What's up, guys? So we just got here, meeting super packed, and we're gonna start off over here by the overflow, I guess you could say, where all the parking is at on the side, because there's a ton of people out here today showing. For some reason everybody decided to show up today. So let's go and check out some dope cars and see how this video finishes off.
That's what I want to do.
Now this right here is badass. R33 Skyline GTR. I would rather have one of these, my honest opinion, over the R34. R34 is too played out in my opinion. These R33s, I don't think anything can beat it in reality as far as the Skyline. Maybe the Haku, but I'm more of an old school person, not all the new style. R33 is the best one. Something else you don't see very often come to a car meet or a Cars and Coffee like this. This is bad. lot of clean builds out today. A lot of dope little cars. Let's go ahead and head over here now. These two cars right here hit hard. Spoon wheels, spoon calipers. They actually painted them red instead of blue. Dope little touch. On some of Recaro pole positions. Badass setup. Then you got an EG. On some mag blue TE37s. Very clean, very clean. And this guy's on Instagram at SoCal99EM1, I believe, with the blue Recaros. Gus actually just did a feature on him with this build. Very clean. This is something else you don't see. This is dope. Back to the mini truck. That's dope. We couldn't forget about this truck again. This is bad. Six pumps. This is dope. One day we'll build one. Huh? Build one? This is bad. I love these wheels. I think this is the guy David or DA9 I have or something like that on Instagram. If anybody has a set of these Quirk RS ZRs, 15-inch, 16-inch, 4x100 only, bang my line and we can talk business. These are what I want. Badass little Integra with the Mugen rare side skirts. Badass, man. And slug bug to whoever watches this video. Dope little bug. Got the big homie Chris, the auto broker. If any of you guys are looking for any Hondas, Type R's, hit him up. He works and he'll give you a mother effing deal. This is the same dude that sold me my lip that he made, which is why I won't reproduce them. Recaro fishnets. Mugen shift knob. And this car is boosted. I think it's the Aztec green. hit this dude up for your guys' Hondas. And my guy right here has some big cojones, driving around with 2 bucket seats, 2 Kirkies. I would not have the balls for that. H series on nitrous. Alrighty guys, so pretty much we're gonna go ahead and call the video there. We're gonna go ahead and head home and take care of some other stuff, but don't turn around. Meat's still cracking, but we got a far drive ahead of us, so we're gonna go ahead and just cap out the video here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, guys, please like, subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.
What we do here is go back.